In this video, I will share with you how to fix duplicate content issues. Now, if you're writing blog posts and you see some of the issues duplicate content, so if you go into the, let me just pages, and then here if you look at the issues, so currently there are nothing, but if you look at the duplicate content issues, if you face anything like that, what you can simply do is go and delete, put the articles to the trash and write another article, replace that URL and replace submit to the Google Search Console, which means what we are doing is we are submitting a new URL. Okay, so we can also submit to the index. Right, if you come here sitemap and delete this and submit a new index, which means it will refresh all your pages. So the duplicate content page, it no longer takes into consideration, which means because you have replaced an entire article. So that's how